What is going on, guys? My name is Mr.G, and today we're going to build our very own personal blog or business blog, you name it. And last time we just created our very own free hosting and free domain. As you can see right here, it's called Mr.G tutorials.ml, but outside this is in maintenance mode. Okay, so stay tuned and I'm going to teach you about WordPress blog. Okay, so you can see in the description you can watch the free domain, free hosting, and how did I do that. You just go ahead and watch that first if you want to build this. And yeah, you can use paid domain, paid hosting. You can use HostGator or any hosting out there. It's SiteGround or Bluehost. Yep. Okay, so the very first thing I'm going to teach you is all about the customization. In your theme, we're going to change this. You're just going to pause and play and just follow me on what I do in this. Okay, so let's go ahead and customize this first. Okay, so in here, the very first thing we're going to do is the site identity. You're just going to change the site title and tagline. Okay, so the first thing that you are going to change is all about the site title on your website. For example, let's put it here, Mr.G tutorials. Okay, and for the tagline, this is the tutorial for blogs. Okay, and you can also use, oh, by the way, that's wrong spelling, tutor. Alright, so after that you're just going to publish, and let's go ahead at the back end of the WordPress in your website. Okay, let's X this. Go ahead to the dashboard, and we're going to delete the hello world and the default pages that is present here in your websites, because this is a fresh install. Go ahead in the post and all posts and select this, and bulk actions, move to trash and apply. Okay, it's gone. And also with the pages, hopefully there's a sample page. Basically there will be a sample page. Just going to move that to trash and then apply. Okay, and then in the settings, go ahead and go to permalinks, and then for the settings here, just going to use post name and then save changes. Okay, so these are the basic settings for your WordPress blog. Let's say your personal blog. Okay, so in here for tutorial purposes, we're going to use a basic called lorem ipsum text and a basic title. So for example, just going to visit our website here. Okay, so you can see now at the top that there is Mr.G tutorials and a tagline. Okay, so yeah, there is. We're going to change the theme, and actually I got a tutorials about how to change your theme, and it's really simple. You're just going to appearance, themes, and add new. For example, you're looking for a blog, then basically we're just going to search here blog. Okay, sorry, blog. Okay, so it will going to show you 1,854 themes that is free, and really awesome themes for your blogs. Okay, basically we're just going to select a very basic theme. Oh yeah, for example like this blog grid. Okay, just going to, you can pause this and choose your own theme that you are going to modify or use. Yeah, we're just going to use the block grid. Okay, installing. Yeah, this is the boring stuff right here, the very basic, this is from beginners to expert. Okay, while waiting for install the theme from blog, let's just go ahead and activate. And basically the theme that we are using now is 2017, and that we're going to change to blog grid. Okay, now the theme that is active is blog grid, and we're just going to refresh our sites. And there you go, your very own blog homepage. But now we're just going to create the pages from home and blog. Okay, let's go ahead on all pages. Basically I just created 4 minutes ago. I didn't do this, but in your end you can create a page that is blog and home. Okay, and we're going to show you how to do that. That is basically here, add new. Example, you're going to create a welcome page. Okay, and then hit publish. Okay, now it's published. Let's go ahead to all pages. There you go, a welcome page. Now we're going to separate the blog into another page, and we're just going to do that by going to customize and setting up a static page for homepage. That is homepage settings. Okay, homepage settings. Basically I just forget, maybe I just set up this already. Let's go ahead and change home into a welcome page. Okay, and then yeah, that's it, and then publish. Okay, so basic text. Let's go ahead for lorem ipsum. Okay, so I use lorem ipsum because this is for tutorial purposes, and you can use, now you are going to create your own content for your own blog. Okay, let's go ahead and check that out. There we go, and let's try to remove the widget here. Okay, how to remove the widget, and you want just to show your home page. Let's go ahead and edit page. This is not here. We can go ahead and install Elementor, which is a page builder. Yeah, it's not here. Let's go ahead and add new. Let's add a page builder, which is Elementor. There is a pro version, and you can use this one, Elementor. Okay, this is free. You can also use the paid version. This is it, which has 1 million active installs. Okay. By the way, you can use other page builder, which is Beaver Builder. There's a lot. Okay, so it's installed. Let's go ahead back to the home page. that is in all pages. Okay, you can see here it's a front page already, and let's just go ahead and edit that. Use edit with Elementor. But for this, we're trying to remove the widget in the home page, so we're going to edit. Okay. Still not here. Just go ahead and edit again. And in here, it is in the template. Elementor full width. You're just going to use that, and it will going to remove the widget in your home page. Okay, update. And then go ahead and check this out. Okay, so the widget is gone. I'm just going to add the menu here. And how to add a menu, just going to go to customize. And then menus. Create a menu. Okay, name your menu. Let's just say menu. Okay, and check the main menu here, and then go to. Okay, this is the locations. If you are asking, then go ahead and hit next. Add items. Go add welcome page, blog, contact. Yeah, I think that's just. Let's try that. After that, you're just going to hit publish. And there you go. You just had your menus in below this title. So what's next is let's go ahead and add content on your blogs. Okay. We'll be asking how to pull the other pages of or pull the other post into the home page by using Elementor. That is really easy. I'm going to add a very quick basic post. Let's try 5 posts. Okay, I'm just going to create this for you. I'm just going to pause the video. Okay, so I'm back and I'm in tutorials part 4 post, and in order to add a new post, you're just going to add new. Okay, and then I'm gonna use lorem ipsum. I actually copied a lorem ipsum text. That's a sample text, and then tutorials part 5. Okay, publish, and let's just see how this post look like in homepage. Okay, after that you're just going to check all posts. Okay, you get 5 sample posts, and we're going to pull that in the homepage area. Just going to hit refresh. Actually, you're hearing other sounds in the background, if you can. So let's go ahead and pull those posts. Let's find it in this Elementor. Okay, I think we doesn't have one. Yep, doesn't have one. So in order for that, if that is, we're basically looking for posts. Let's go ahead and add some add-ons in Elementor. Add new plugin. Okay, and let's type again Elementor. Okay, so premium add-ons for Elementor. We're looking here for Elementor essential add-ons. I don't know. Let's just see. Let's try this Elementor essential add-ons. Okay, it got 60,000 active installs. Let's try what does that. Okay, you can also use short codes for pulling. Actually, it's on. Let's just refresh this. Elementor is doing a great job, so we're just going to use add-on for Elementor. By the way, you can use other plugins also that can use a shortcode and then put it here. I'm going to show you that in just a couple of seconds, just a couple of minutes. Okay, so after now we're just going to, there we go, EA post timeline or EA post grid. Okay, so we're just going to use that, just going to drag that in here, and we are seeing here the posts. Now just going to delete that, doesn't look good. Okay, we're going to use the post grid. Okay, there we go. Just going to modify the settings right here, the layout. We need to remove this. Show meta. I think we're not going to show. Yes, that's it. And it's showing you 4 posts. And we got 5. In order to change that, just going to go to query. That is post per page. If you want 5 to show up in the home page, just going to go ahead and put 5, and there we go. And just going to remove that. Let's try 3. Okay, doesn't look good. 4 columns, yeah, in here. Just going to use 3 columns. Okay, and update. At the moment it doesn't look really nice because there is no image in the posts. Let's just go ahead and pull I'm using Pixabay, sending free images, no copyrights, or yeah, I'm just going to use this. Sample food. And I'm just going to pull this, save this picture. Let's put it in the downloads area. Related image. Just going to save 5 pieces of image, and then we're going to upload them. Okay, it's done, and we're going to upload that, each of the posts, and we're going to add a featured image in them so that it will going to show here at the top. Okay, we just updated that. We're going to check the page, view the posts, and then there we go. We're just going to try here. Tutorials part 1. Okay, add featured image. Now we're going to select those images. Okay, here. Here. Now open those. Yeah, I tried to bulk upload so that you can see, but we're just going to use one image, maybe this one or this one. I'm just going to use this. Set featured image here and update. Just go ahead and go to tutorials part 2, and then do that same process. Okay, edit, Add featured image. Updates. Do this real quick. Okay, I'm just going to stop in tutorials part 3. You can do the rest, guys. It's really easy. Set featured image here, part 3, and then update. We're just going to, what is this? Part 4, part 5. We're going to edit the descending, this one. And I think we're just going to refresh just to see tutorials part 3. Yeah, it's showing, and as you can see now, there's a featured image. Okay, let's do the part 4 to look nice. Okay, the last one, part 5. Okay, let's just try to use this. Yeah, I think we can use that. And let's just try to refresh. And there we go. And as you can see, the images are not the same. You can use Photoshop or other editing tools that can edit the same sizes of your images. And now we're just going to add a new section. Just going to refresh here. Let's try an awesome section, which is a welcome message right here and a call to action that is really, you know, in demand above the fold for your website. Okay, and how to do that in Elementor is really easy. You're just going to press this add section right here, and then I think they got a template. Let's try here, add new section. I don't know if they got some plates. Let's try call to action if they got one. Oh yeah, EA call to action. There we go, really basic. It's a button right here, and you can also add image background, or you can use slider, depends on you. I think we're going to use a background here. How to add a background? Go to advanced, click right here, go to advanced, and then background. Okay, press classic, and then image. We're just going to use this sample background. Yeah. Let's try to update. Nothing happens. Let's try to refresh here. Yeah. Nothing happens. Why is that? Oh yeah, color style, background color, content style. I don't know what's going on here. Let's try color. And it's not working. try to delete that, and then we're just going to edit. Let's go to content. You can change the content style to basic to flex grid. Okay, so you can see the button is in the right side, and the background color and image. I think this one will fix the issue a couple of minutes ago. Let's go ahead to background, go to images, set this one. Clear. Didn't. I don't know what's going on. So we got a title right here. We can use Mr.G tutorials, subscriptions, just like that. And then the content will be say templates. No, not yet. We can put here. This is a sample of the call to action text, and contact me for more information. Okay, and the button text will be subscribe now. Yeah, that's, oh my goodness, this is the background image at the bottom, huh? How about that? Let's try to learn together. Let's try to use this cup. Okay, you got it. Let's try to change the color of the button. Let's go ahead. Button style. In the style, button style, and then normal color. Let's go ahead. Background color. Let's try to use yellow. Let's try to use yellow. There we go. And for the text, try to use white. Okay. Border, let's try to border radius. So let's try to add that. Okay. So you can see. And the hover effect, let's try to change that. You can change it to red or green or blue. See? There we go. And then I think we got an awesome blog page right now. And let's go ahead and update. Okay, check that out in here. Get site can't be reached. Let's find out. Actually, this one happens if you got a cache on your website. Let's go ahead and add one. If you can use a lot of cache plugins, you can use WP Super Cache or W3. Let's try to use W3 Total Cache. Go ahead and install. You can see here it's the updated version, and you will see a cache version of your site. So in order to remove that, you need to activate a cache plugin. I think I will not go to do all the settings here. It's a lot. Okay, let's just try to purge all cache and try to visit our homepage now. Okay, still got a problem. Oh, did not update. What a dumb. Let's go ahead and refresh. My bad. Okay, we got it now. So we got an awesome homepage, and let's try to add a section below this post. Okay, below all the posts. You know, I want to add a see more right here. View all blogs. Call to action again. Okay, let's try to do that. And let's just add another section. Let's try to add a button. No. That. Add a new section. And it's going to be a button. Let's try to put that in the center. Let's try to mimic this button so that it's not going to look bad. Okay. Sample view all blog posts. Okay, and the link right here will be in the blog, so just going to copy that and paste, remove that. Okay, slash forward slash blog forward slash, and we're just going to add it the same as this. Go ahead and style the button, background color. Let's go to yellow, yeah, and for the hover, let's go ahead and go to blue. Okay, oh yeah, that's much better. Let's go to add darkness. That's fine. Okay. Now if you want to, push this at the top, you can do that. Go to advanced, margin, remove this. Okay, at the top, just going to pull. You can see. Okay, not too much. Just you can control everything here, and you can update. There's a lot controls in Elementor than other builders. Okay, so let's go ahead and add a new section. For example, you want a contact us section. How you can add that? Okay, so you're going to add a header. Let's put it in the center. Let's try to use this color right here. Okay. Let's try to copy the fonts. Open Sans serif. Okay, now in here, let's go ahead in typography, default family. Now let's try to use Open Sans. Open Sans, there we go. And the color is, text color is, black. Okay, and let's try to edit that. About me, you can about me or about us, or the name of your let's do this. What's the blog all about? Okay, let's try to use H2. We got H1 here. I think this is H1. Oh yeah, let's put H1. And let's try to add, or how to duplicate this part. I'm going to update that. That's an H1, and let's try to duplicate this. How can I duplicate this section? Actually, before there's a duplicate section right here, if you will. There it is. Just need to right click and then duplicate. And this one we're going to use H2. what's the blog all about. The subheading for the about section. Alright, so we're going to add again another part, which is text editor. Okay, in here we're going to add a paragraph, which is lorem ipsum again, or you know, it's a lorem ipsum, and then you're just going to copy, for example, text. Okay, copy, and then for example you got a lot of text right here, you need to add a lot of text. BR, just going to break the line, and then another, let's try to add a BR two times, and then add again the text so that it will look good in your end. Okay, you can also color this, but okay, you may be asking how to color this text in Elementor, but this is really easy. Just going to use text color and then color it with gray or black, or you can do, yeah, just going to clear that, because in this way it's it looks nice. Just going to refresh, and we got our very own another section, which is awesome. And I like this theme. It got all right reserved right here. It's not telling anyone to, you know, go to the theme developer. Really nice, huh? And it got a page pull to, I forgot the title, this part right here. Scroll to top. Okay, scroll to top. Yes. Okay, so we got a blog, and this is how our blog page look like, and it's really nice and clean. Yeah, I think we're going to end this tutorial for personal blogs or company blogs, and for the next part we're going to I'm going to teach you more functionality in themes, and you know, adding more so that your blog will be look like a personal or a professional awesome page blog. Okay, and leave a comment down below anything that you want to do in your blog so that I can help. Okay, comment that, and thank you so very much for three awesome subscribers. Let's go ahead and watch our awesome page. Okay, you can see now how we have 3 subscribers. Before we got 0. Awesome, huh? And thank you so very much for this awesome 3 subscribers. I hope you just ring the bell. And before we got the bus coder, and I changed it to Mr.G tutorials so that it will you know, click or relate to our topics here. Okay, and see you next time. Peace.